Hello and welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change currencies in Interactive Broker. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Interactive Broker application or go to Interactive Broker account. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the top menu bar you can see Trade option. Click on Trade, then this type of drop down menu will appear in your screen. From there, click to Convert Currencies. Then, once the page has been loaded up, in left side of your screen you can see From option. Click to From, then choose the currency that you want to change to. Enter the amount, then click to Submit. Then your currency will be changed. This is how you can convert currency in Interactive Broker. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.